Think you can turn your Costco shopping habits into a thriving travel business? Let's find out how. Step 1. Becoming a Costco Travel insider. This might sound like a secret club, but it's really about deep diving into what Costco Travel offers. We're not just talking about booking your own vacation here, we're analyzing their package deals. Think flights, hotels, car rentals, sometimes even cruises, and identifying the prime opportunities for a markup. Step 2. The art of the markup. Once you've identified attractive packages, the key is understanding your potential profit margin. How much are people willing to pay for convenience and curated travel experiences? Research competitor pricing for similar packages. Are you seeing a gap where you can offer value while still making a profit? This is where your analytical skills come into play. Step 3. Pinpointing your niche. Who are you selling to? Are you targeting busy professionals who want a seamless vacation, families looking for all-inclusive deals, or perhaps budget-conscious travelers who appreciate the hidden value? Defining your target audience will shape your entire marketing strategy and the types of packages you focus on. Step 4. Marketing your masterpieces. This is where you bring your travel entrepreneur dreams to life. Leverage social media with stunning visuals and compelling descriptions of the packages you've curated. Consider building a simple website or a dedicated Facebook group. Offer personalized consultations to understand your clients' needs and build trust. Don't forget word of mouth referrals. A circumflex euros. Happy customers are your best advertisers. Step 5. Viability check. So, can you truly make money from Costco travel packages? The answer is a qualified yes. It's not passive income. It requires research, marketing savvy, and excellent customer service. But for those willing to put in the work, it's an unconventional yet potentially rewarding path to travel entrepreneurship.